So hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about today's POTD on GFG. It was saying that we have given a binary tree. For example, this is a binary tree 1, 2, 3. We have given a binary tree that is 1, 2, and 3. We have to serialize this into an array. So after serializing, the array will become like this: 1, 2, 3, and for null values it will be -1. So after serializing this binary tree, the output array will be like this. Okay. Now if the array is given, after serializing, we have this array that is -1, -1, -1, -1, and after serializing, we have to deserialize this array. Okay. Then on deserializing this, the output binary tree will become like this: 1, 2, 3, and for -1 we have to put null, and for next -1 we have to put null, and for next -1 null, null. So for the given binary tree, we generated an array which is serialized array, and after generating the array, we have to deserialize this into an given binary tree. So output will become like this. Okay, let's take another example. Example number 2. For example, it is like this: 1, 2, null, 3, and 4. So on serializing this, the array will become like this. For this, it is 1, and after this 2, and after this, for null it is -1, for 3 it is 3, for 4 it is 4. Okay, now it is null. The recursive call goes here. The recursive call goes here, then it will be -1. Now for this null, again -1. For this null, again -1 and -1. Now, now the array is like this: 1, 2, -1, 3, 4, -1, -1, -1, and -1. On deserializing this, the output array will become like this: 1, 2. Then for -1, we put null, and for 3, we put 3. For 4, we put 4. And now for -1, null, null, again -1, again -1. So this is an output binary tree. So now we will code this. Okay. So for serializing this, we have to take an answer array. If the root equals to null, then we have to push -1 and return this. Okay. And if root is not equals to null, then we have to put root ka data. Then we will recursively call to the left subtree and right subtree. Okay. So this function will provide a vector which is a serialized vector. Okay. From this we will call the above function, and we will return this vector. Okay. Now we have to deserialize this. If index equals to a dot size, अगर array अपना a dot size के बराबर ही हो गया, अगर अपन यहाँ तक पहुँच गए हैं, तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि अपन ने पूरा का पूरा ट्री कंस्ट्रक्ट कर दिया है. सो बेस केस तो ये हो गया. ठीक है. इफ अगर कंस्ट्रक्ट नहीं किया है, तो वैल्यू में अपन उस इंडेक्स की वैल्यू डाल देंगे. अगर अपने को पता है कि -1 होता है, तो वहां पे अपने को नल लगा देना है. अगर -1 नहीं होता है, तो न्यू नोड के अंदर वो वैल्यू डाल दिया अपन ने, फिर उसके लेफ्ट में कॉल किया, उसके राइट में कॉल किया, एंड रिटर्न रूट. सो दिस इज द कोड फॉर दिस प्रॉब्लम. ओके.